Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing well today. We are here at Shaw Nature Reserve, and today we are going to hike the Russ Goddard River Trail. And hopefully at the end, I believe there is a overlook of the river. So hopefully we can make it. Let's go hike the hell out of this and see what awaits. Well, hopefully that little wooden bridge was a nice introduction to the video, guys. I tried to find a neat little area, not strayed too far from the beginning of this trail, but that was the closest thing I could find. So anyway, hope it worked, and let's go hike this trail. Okay, well, I thought this was going to be the overlook over the river, but this is clearly just the overlook of the field, so not what I was expecting. Alright guys, so this is the river trail that we wanted to find. So let's go. Alright, so here's a little map of what we're getting ourselves into, guys. We're going to be definitely heading down more south towards the river, so let's hope for the best. That little star is right exactly where we're at. So we're going to head all the way around and back to the parking spot where we started. What kind of droppings are those? Let me know in the comments. So last time I was here, I was doing a birding video, and I was walking this trail, not this trail, but another trail in the park, and a bobcat ran right out in front of me, about maybe 4 or 5 feet. Scared the bejesus out of me, and he was just yelling, took off running. I could never find him again. Try to get a photo, but it definitely scared me, and I'm not looking forward to ever having that encounter again, but let's hope it doesn't happen today. All right, guys, well, we hit the mark where the river is. I see it straight ahead. This is exciting, so let's go check this out. So as soon as I came over here, there was an eagle landing in the water to try to get a fish. Unfortunately, I didn't have my camera on me, but what a cool experience to see. So there really is not a whole lot going on down here. It's very quiet. The only thing I saw was the eagle, which was a great experience. I just wish I would have had my birding camera or my birding lens on me to try to capture that, but wasn't quick enough. Other than that, it's relatively quiet, and I think we should move on and finish the hike. Those are just two enormous trees next to each other. Or it's a tree split. That's what I think it is, a tree split, but it is, it's enormous. This video doesn't do it any justice. So I have a feeling when we get up here, the rest of this trail is going to be uphill, and I hope I'm ready for it, because I have not gone hiking in a minute. So we will see the results here soon, guys. You guys want to go check out the gravel bar? Me too. Look at this enormous tree. Alright guys, the gravel bar. This is absolutely breathtaking. It's like something right out of a movie. I'm glad we went the path of the gravel bar. Absolutely stunning, guys. Earlier, the eagle landed right over in that area, dove right down. I don't know if he grabbed anything because there was a tree in the way. I couldn't see much more after he went down, but yeah, this is something, guys. Well guys, that was a treat, but it's time to get going back to the car and finish this hike. I'm getting pretty hungry and I still have about a mile left, so let's get going guys. So, it's starting to rain again, and not only that, they always save the best for last, don't they? We are headed uphill. Awesome. Alright, so maybe I'm not the best at hiking, but we'll make it. So I have about 0.2 miles left, and we'll tell you I'm absolutely whooped. That last bit of the trail just was it for me. So thank God I only have a little bit left, but for an experienced hiker, it might not be bad at all. But for a beginner like myself, it was quite a doozy. Either that or I'm just fat and out of shape. I don't know which one it is, but either way, it got to me. Well guys, we made it to the end. See the pavilion over here. It makes me so happy. Towards the end there, I started getting disoriented. Didn't know which way I was going. I don't know, it was very strange. I came out here to do some bird photography this morning, and I decided to do this hike instead for you guys. And I did not eat any breakfast this morning. I was just completely not prepared at all. Didn't bring any water with me, nothing. So completely drained and definitely affected me. And that's why I'm just super happy that I found the pavilion over here, and we are at the end of this hike. Whew. All right, guys. Well, we made it. It was definitely getting a little worrisome at the end there, but we made it. But what a great trail that was. I definitely enjoyed it. If you haven't been to Shaw Nature Reserve, please check it out. There's lots of trails here. That was the Russ Goddard River Trail. So that one, I think, is the biggest trail here in the park. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it is. But yeah, if you ever need something where it's really just secluded, not a whole lot of noise, you just want to enjoy nature, Shaw Nature Reserve. Check it out, guys. And as always, guys, everyone have a blessed day, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as always, and I'll catch you guys next time on our next hike. Take care.